spirits in it. Pink. It's pink with lemonade, is it?
And we head down to the basically head to the river. There's a boat that crosses that river with cars at the beach. It's going to become clearer. The visibility isn't that good, but look, you can see the beach on the right hand. Watch the step. If you do trip, don't grab me.
Where do you want to go?
Right, yeah, right. We're both going together, and I'll bet you on that. Right, okay, but they're out there all rifle fish or archer fish.
We've got a big crocodile. Welcome to an absolutely beautiful morning on the Daintree River. My name's Pete. I'm going to be your river guide today. She's been affectionately nicknamed Bruce, after the gentleman who runs the boats up in front of us. This is where little Bruce has spent most of her life. We nicknamed her Bruce prior to her being sexually mature. And then 3 years ago she was discovered beautifully through the water and very efficiently designed. Fins on the tail, these shark fin formations. These are called scoops. As the tail sweeps from side to side, the tail provides 75% of forward movement. Big boss here is a guy called Scarface now. Lumpy's probably around, maybe 4.2 metres. Scary's up around 5. Now at the height of the flood, this part of the river here was over 60 feet. Length, probably looking at around 4.8, maybe 4. He's just lying there doing the same as the other ones are doing. So Scary will keep slowly growing right throughout his life. He won't stop. Scary won't die of old age. At night time they're very shut, so we've got no car movement. That protects the wildlife over here. 70% is nocturnal, so big saver to our animals.
We're on this one.
The plants, these are the epiphytes they're called. These are basket ferns and elkhorn ferns and staggerol. And look over here where I'm pointing, and you can see there's a tree which got bumps on the outside of the tree. If that was a eucalyptus tree, I guess the female is on the left, the male is on the right. Okay, see, they've come together because they're going to mate. Come up here now, guys. Just be careful you don't fall over. Sorry.
Give me the hand.
You're alright? You're good? You're okay? You're good? You're alright. Australia had no hard-earth animals before the Europeans got here in about 1820. All the food, you see. So a woman used to pick a man that could hunt more successfully. See, so short men were more successful than tall men. See, so that's why the world's indigenous numbers are short, because over the thousand. Generally, I've got one or two people.
Yeah.
Remember, 66 million years ago, that's when the dinosaurs disappeared. And you guys are from America, see? So the.
Oh, there you go. Here's a little hole. No, I've got it. I know what it is.
Jay.
We don't have to wait a second. All the signs in the background. Can you walk into someone then? There's steam coming off you. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are not a Cassowary, sir.
First version of this road used to have 605 turns. Straight down the hill and aim for the gap in the distance and then turn left. That's the way it's doing it. Yeah, so all the others, no flowers yet. Well, you'll see a few as we go down. So this is a little example of what the forest should be full of, but unfortunately this is...
Oh, fish. Quick, got a big hill to walk up.
It's only found in far north Queensland. The other three you'll see in lots of different places, but this one's exclusively just up here. But this is gators and propagators, because their favourite food isn't actually fruit, it's... And that temperature stayed for 4 days. And in that period, 20,000 of them just dropped dead out of the trees from heat stress.
There was even on the deck.
It's just one or two. Territorial at the moment. The girls are not usually so feisty with each other. The boys are, but the girls are usually a little bit easier going than this. But they are. The last couple of days now, they've been doing this with each other. But the brush-tailed possum has a parallel tail from base to tip. There's another family colour, so I think this would be a female this time. You'll see him okay? Yeah. Now, we call this possum the green ringtail, because when I intensify the light on him, it actually starts to make him look a little bit greenish. But this is a real special thing, being green. There's no such thing as a green fairy mammal on planet Earth. This is as close as you'll ever get. Leaves. Which means they don't get much competition for their food, because fig leaves are generally toxic to most animals. So this guy doesn't get much competition for his food source, so he's actually quite comfy in this area because there's lots of fig species. But they're only found up here. Only found in North Queensland. But they are so beautiful, these owls. See his face?
Black eyes.
How cool is that?